Well, good morning. This is Grandpa Gary's Garage Chaos. Chaotic as ever. This is going to be about installing and finishing fairing the passenger side cat's eye nacelle, which was removed and repaired by myself and then spot welded back in yesterday. This is what it looks like currently. It's all welded into place. Actually, I'm not too disappointed with what I see here. It looks a little bit on the rough side, but I had to repair this. It was there's a fair amount of rust repair on this little nacelle. Driver's side isn't finished, but I've done quite a bit of fairing with the different kinds of Bondo in that. It didn't actually take too much to make everything fit nicely in that. But there's some finishing sanding to do here. 400 grit coming up. There's some scratches which you can't see, I'm sure. Oh, there, maybe right there. Plus there's some dirt from other activities I've been doing here in the shop, but that'll all be cleaned off. And then another skim coat of light Bondo on top of this, and then some more sanding with 400, probably even 600 grit. And then I'll be etching primer the metal that you see here on the nacelle. But both of these were rusted inside the nacelle, and the top of the fender was full of holes. So this in there, this is where the rust would form and perforate right through the fender. The reason for that being that the water that eventually does get in there can't escape, so I'll have to drill a couple holes, one in each nacelle, to allow the moisture to escape in that. Once I get this done, that's a milestone. Then that's taken a while to get done, but this is going to be followed by a repair here for the grill support, the grill opening, the rad opening, I guess. What you see here is damage due to, again, water not being able to escape or being trapped inside this formed metal, which forms the bottom of the radiator support. You can see the perforations in that. So this has to be all cut out here. I'll have to form this piece, and the same goes for the other side. This piece will fit underneath. I think I've already shown this. This fits underneath here and forms a kind of a structural support for this metal right here. But I have to remanufacture this metal piece right here, and it comes with an edge. I have to form an edge, an arc. You can see some of the spot welds here. I'll have to cut all that and then fashion a piece, and then reinstall it, weld it in position. And once that's done, then I have an opening that I can secure a grill to. I don't know if that makes any sense to anybody, but you can see there's holes here. This is what 60 years of, or 65 years or whatever of wear and tear that looks like. Actually, it could be a lot worse. These cars are notorious for rust. Yeah. So I just thought I'd kind of have a short update here in that. After this job is done, then I move over a little bit further to the passenger side again and attack this issue here. There's a piece underneath here called the crow's foot, which forms the support for this metal, and that's rusted quite badly inside there, and I'm going to have to. I thought I had a piece from the factory replacement for that, but I thought I had it and I didn't, or I misplaced it somewhere, and darned if I can find it. So that'll be the next one after the grill support. So it may not look like much, but progress is being accomplished here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign off now, and I'm going to do my Bondo bodywork here, and after I'm done for today, I'll have an update video. So I'll sign off for now.